Om Shanti. Today's Avyakt Murli. Revised Course 23rd of March 1988. Title: Signs of the Beloved Children who are the conquerors of the heart of the Father, the Comforter of Hearts. In this world, we have seen several people who are conquerors of different kingdoms. We know about their signs. Today, Shiv Baba is teaching us the signs of those who are the conquerors of the heart of God. Today, the Dilaram father has come to meet his Dilruba children. First point: who are Dilruba children? In whose heart Baba remembrance remains always. Their every thought is on the basis of Srimad. Their every thought is on the basis of godly messages received through the Murli. Their every word, thought, actions are according to Baba's Srimad, no matter what happens. Such Dilruba children are the ones who conquer Dilaram's heart with the music of their love. Baba says the Dilaram father also sings praise of such children. Listen what God is saying. The Dilaram father also sings praise of such children. The whole world sings praise of God, but God says that the children whose hearts are filled with the God's remembrance, God also sing praise of such children. Baba says, so those who have conquered the Father's heart are automatically conquerors of Maya and conquerors of the world. Conquerors of Maya means attaining victory over every weakness, vice, waste thoughts. Conquerors of the Maya are the conquerors of the world. Conquerors of the world means once we are victorious over our mind and body and over nature. Baba says the Father is always in their hearts, and such victorious children are always in the Father's heart. Having Baba in the heart does not mean we keep chanting Baba, Baba, but we should always remember whatever Baba has taught, even in dreams, thoughts, words, and actions. Baba says such children who have conquered the heart sing songs of nothing else except the Father and service with every breath they take, that is, at every second that passes. They constantly sing this song, one song, My Baba and I belong to the Father. These are known as the Dilruba children who have conquered the Dilaram father's heart throne. Where there is Baba's remembrance, service is happening automatically. Service is not just we do. Service happens through our state of being, through our intentions and feelings. So we need to be clear for how long we are in service during a day. If our state is not good, then service does not happen, even if we are doing everything externally. But if our thought is good, every thought is according to the Srimad, then service is happening through our state of being. Service is happening through our mind, which means us Mansa Seva. My Baba and I belong to the Father. It means that we do not want anything from this world. Either name, fame, glory, position, love, respect, trust. Baba says, along with praising the Father, you also praise yourself. You are included in the Father, that is, your praise is also merged within the Father's praise. The correct tune, the elevated tune, is to sing the praise of the Father. Baba says others are able to see the Father in every step, vision, word, relationship, and connection of the children who are conquerors of the heart throne. Baba says even though their words come from their mouths, those powerful loving words automatically reveal the Father. These words are not spoken by those souls, they are the words of an elevated authority, that is, of the Almighty authority. Which means, although we are answering through our body, the other person should feel that God is answering their question through us. Baba says this spirituality in their vision gives soul the experience of the Father. Their steps are the steps of the God's elevated direction. Others would feel that One is not an ordinary human being, but an avyakt angel. Those who give this experience are said to be conquerors of the heart and so the conquerors of the world. Baba says to give an experience through word is an ordinary method. There are many people in the world who influence others with their words. However, the speciality of your words is that your words remind others of the Father. Baba says those who constantly have the Father in their hearts are automatically Son shows Father, that is, they are close, that is equal to the Father. That is, in the Loki world, if Son resemble his Father, then people see the Father in him. There are some children who have the exact qualities of the Father, and they do every karma like how the Father does. Even then, people say that Son shows Father in his qualities, actions, and behavior. We children are revealing the Supreme Father because our every quality, step, vision, karma, and words are on the basis of Srimad. Baba says, let the sound our Baba echo in all directions, not the Baba of the Brahma Kumaris, but our Baba. When this sound echoes everywhere, the gates to the sweetest home, Paramdham, will then open, because when they say our Baba, they can then receive their inheritance of liberation. Now Baba is now showing the last stage. Unless the whole world says my Baba, until then that soul cannot go to the soul world. Baba says even if they go back with you and the Father as part of the procession, everyone has to return. Everyone has to be taken back. At least they should claim a right to be able to hear the words with their ears and to know their intellects. Our Baba has come. Let no one be deprived of this. Baba says even though the Father's love is number wise, it is still number one for all. Let no one ever think the Father has less love for me and more love for someone else. No, He has greatest love for all. In the Father's vision, each and every child is number one. Although Bab Dada knows that at present some soul is last, he does not consider that one to be the last until the final results have been declared. The last can become the first at any time. There is still a margin for this. Baba says Bab Dada has love in his heart for each one to enable each one to fly forward. He is not just saying this is to make you happy. He is not saying this is just to make your heart happy. The Father knows that you have been wandering, you had got tired and confused, and have now met the Father after 5 years. The Father searched everywhere and found you. He found you in the east, west, north, and south. The Baba says the power of remembrance constantly enables you to move forward in every task, makes you powerful for all the time, enables you to experience success in every task. Baba says with this power you will continue to receive special cooperation. Baba says while carrying out every task and keeping yourself stable in the stage of a detached observer. A soul who performs action as a detached observer is always detached and loving to the Father. While performing actions, continue to increase this practice. This practice will enable you to attain your Karmati stage. While constantly increasing this practice and while performing actions, remain detached and loving to the Father. This is called being an elevated soul. Baba says, do you always have the awareness in your intellect that the Father is Karan Karavanhar and is making you do everything and that you are just an instrument? Those who do everything as an instrument remain constantly light because of the Karan Karavanhar Father is responsible. With this awareness, you can remain light. That I am an instrument and the one who is making everyone move is making me move and do everything. This is known as being a carefree emperor. Baba says those who stay under the canopy of protection at this time become those who are under the canopy over the throne. So you have the happiness that you are a fortunate soul who remains under the canopy of protection. The canopy is the means of safety. No one can come under this canopy. Baba says, do you always have your spiritual form in your awareness? Brahmins will become angels and angels will become deities. You have solved this riddle. Those who solve a riddle receive a prize. So you have received a prize, have you not? Even in the future, you would not receive what you have received now. You have found the Father Himself, and you are now belong to Father. Compared to the future kingdom, this attainment is so elevated. So always continue to move forward with the intoxication and happiness that you are an elevated soul who has won a prize. Baba says determination is the key to success. By using the speciality of determination, you easily experience that soul is filled with power and you easily experience success in your self progress. Now, the blessing of today's Murli is that may you be a world benefactor who gives everyone God's message with the fragrance of your spirituality. Imbibe all the powers of spirituality, and fragrance of spirituality will attract all souls to you. Since you are able to make Tamo Pradhan matter Sato Pradhan with the power of your mind, then with the power of your spirituality, even from a distance, you will be able to give the Father's message to souls who are not able to come in front of you. When you speed up this subtle machinery, many desperate souls will receive a drop of something and you will be called a world benefactor. The slogan of today's Murli is that let pure and elevated thoughts emerge in yourself and any waste will automatically become merged. Om Shanti.